Assalamu Alaikum, my lovely friends and family. Hope you are all in the best state of health. Usand Iman. Welcome to IWHAT Kitchen. In today's cooking class, inshallah, we are going to be learning about how to clean the snail. This snail has been previously cleaned, but I'm going to re-clean it, focusing on this area with alum. I'll do you one by one. This is the area that I need to focus on because that's the area that still contains some slimy. You can see that. So that's where I'm going to focus on while cleaning the snail. Just focus on this area. All the other area has been cleaned, has been well cleaned, so they are not slimy. But this area is what you need to pay, is where you need to pay attention on. Yeah. The area that you need to focus on. It's easy to clean all this part. This one is not that slimy. It's been done. The inside is also clean, but this area is the most difficult part of it. So you have to focus on that. No matter how much you clean it, it still retains some slime. So you need to pay more attention on that and spend more time cleaning it. So it's clean now. Alhamdulillah, I finished cleaning all the 10 snail. And when you finish cleaning snail, you don't add salt, because once you add salt, it will start slamming again. So the snail has been cleaned thoroughly, one by one. Next is for me to season the snail. I'm using half onion and ginger. And I've got here 2 tablespoons of suya pepper, and garlic, minced herb, and white pepper with little bit of curry. You don't want to over season the snail so that it will retain its natural taste. As I said earlier, you don't add salt to snail. If you do, it will become slimy again. So I will mix this well and leave it to marinate for a while before boiling it. I have finished mixing it. After you finish mixing it, you set it aside. Add a little bit of water and let it simmer for 10 to 15 minutes. I'm going to cover this, and I'm also prepping the pomo. So this one too, I'm going to cover it and let it simmer for 10 to 15 minutes as well. This has been boiling for 15 minutes, so I'm going to off the heat now and leave it. Same with the pomo. This has also boiled for 15 minutes, so I'm going to turn the heat off now as well. So I'll just cover them and let the steam do the rest. That is the oil for the snail. Okay, you need to get more hot. The oil is hot enough now. Time to add the snail. You don't want it to over fry, so 5 minutes. So 5 minutes is enough to fry the snail. Sorry about that, the video get cut off. Jazakumullahu khairan for watching. With this, we leave you in the care of Allah Subhannahu Wata Ala. Stay blessed and safe with lot of love. IWHAT.